that many businesses, as we come out of the pandemic, as the restrictions are lifted, are really going to leap ahead. And I think what's going to happen is that we're going to have a lot of businesses are going to come out of this and they're going to return to type, right? Almost all businesses have had to learn to adapt and have had to learn new ways of working.
You know, as people, I think we all desire that human connection. And with all the AI and technology in the world, those things can help, but I don't think they're ever going to replace that need for human connection. And it's finding that mixed model that enables some of that while still leveraging the value and the benefits of working remotely as we are.
Yeah, so I think there's a whole AI piece that will start to come out that will facilitate the improved communication. It's not there. I don't know any companies that are looking at it at this time, but if you could portray facial expressions and emotions a lot better on camera, then it would help the listeners or the people on the rest of the call interpret what you're saying rather than it just being a 2D image. I think there's a lot of technological and digital movement that has to take place there. I think we'll start to see that over the next few years because we're not going to lose the remote working that started through the pandemic.